Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the Telegram application icon. So maybe some of you don't know that we can change the Telegram icon in terms of color, suitable for those of us who quickly get bored with displays. So first open the Telegram and then select settings and scroll down, select appearance, scroll down so until you find the apps icon. Here there are several types of icon displays. You can choose this one you like, and some are still locked. Okay, if you want to choose them, you have to subscribe to Telegram Premium. Okay, for example, I'm going to select this one. Okay, just click OK and go back to screen. And you can see the icon has been replaced. Okay, that's how you can change the Telegram application icon. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.